Hey, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. I've got another ETF we're going to take a look at here. It's ROBO, ROBO, which is the ROBO Global Robotics and Automation Index ETF, trading on the American Stock Exchange. So this guy was incepted back in late 2013. It did not get off to a great start. It chopped about for quite a while, and then it had a really rough day or a couple days back in mid-2015. I think this was right around the flash crash that took place across the entire market. So here's what we do with kind of one-off things like this. We're going to absolutely ignore it. So we're not going to pay attention to this, and there is a method behind the madness. Basically, what we're going to do is focus everything that we do from this point here off the low in the 2016, early 2016. So it has no impact on the wave labeling, believe it or not, whether we focus on this or not. Say that this was real data, even though I don't believe it fully represents social mood. Basically, all it would do is make this a 1, and this is a 2, and this whole thing a third wave. It would not change the actual analysis of what it means heading forward. So instead of doing that and paying attention to something that, again, does not appear to be part of social mood, we're ignoring it. We're starting from this point right here. From this point right here, ROBO has been in a really nice 5-wave advance. That's the good news. This is a trendy move. The bad news, it ended in early 2018. So it's been in a larger pullback ever since then. This is by far the largest pullback we've seen since this low was recorded. Again, the move counts out very nicely as being a completed move. So this pullback is a larger degree move upon the completion of this 5-wave advance. So let's go ahead and drill in and take a little bit closer look. First, we're just going to kind of put some fine details into this advance right here. Here it is. It's an absolutely beautiful move. Every step of the way, every leg that's taken place here has been a nice trendy advance. Overall, it's clearly one big 5-wave move. Every single internal up leg is a nice 5-wave move, so on and so forth. Very nice. No reason to think that this labeling is incorrect in any way. Very clearly looks like a 5-wave move that has completed, and you can see just how substantial this pullback is in terms of time relative to what's happened to this point. So that just adds more confidence to us that this guy completed in early 2018 and a larger pullback is underway. So the potential is definitely there for this pullback to continue. It is clear that it's not yet over yet. We can see it head all the way down into this yellow support area here, which is basically running from 30 to about 36. Currently, it's around 40. I think it's going to head lower before it heads higher. Overall, the trend is still up, but again, I think this pullback is going to get bigger before it ends and before the next leg of the overall uptrend resumes. So I would be careful here. I would be looking for a larger spike lower, very similar to what we're looking for in the entire market, just for the Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&P, just about everything else out there. It looks like there needs to be an ending leg to this 2018 pullback that has not yet happened. So we're going to zoom in right here. Let's take a look. This is the pullback. It started out really sharply back in late January and early February. Since then, it's been just a choppy mess. This is all one big B wave. There still needs to be a C wave down. It's really hard to determine where we are in the B wave. We could see it move up and then crash back down from there. It could head straight down. It's really hard to say. That's just the nature of counter trend moves. No reason to trust it. I wouldn't be owning it. If you own it now, I would sell it. And otherwise, I would just wait for a better opportunity to buy in. And again, I think what's going to happen is we're going to see a larger decline into this yellow area, basically from 30 to 36. Once you see that and you start seeing price reverse upward and start to give us these trendy up moves again, then you have yourself a buying opportunity, not before. So long term, we are bullish. Midterm, not at all. It looks like it's going to give us a larger pullback, and you have to wait for that before you'd actually want to own this guy. So I hope that's helpful. I got one more ETF to look at for you. So just give me a minute, and we'll post that one as well. Thank you very much.